Do you know the truth on risky drug use? Risky drug use is when a service member misuses prescription drugs by sharing medications or using an expired medication. It also includes using illicit or prohibited drugs like marijuana, hemp, and CBD. It's not worth losing the things you care about: relationships, loved ones, health, and your career. Instead, get the truth on risky drug use with Too Much to Lose. Test your knowledge with this anonymous quiz. Learn about the risk related to risky drug use and find healthy non-drug alternatives. Risky drug use can affect your career, health, and relationships. Find tips on how to protect the things you care about. It's not worth the risk. Visit toomuchtolose.org.